Alright, I'm going to go over how to set up your vehicle sections and some options with that. So let's go ahead and dive right in, and let's go ahead and go under Appearance and Menus and add a link to your vehicles page. So it's pretty easy. It's under Car Dealer Archive. Select that option and add it. In the live preview, we've called this Browse Inventory. So I'm just going to do the same for example's sake. So now we've got ourselves our browse inventory, and this is where all of your vehicles will show up. You probably won't have vehicles yet unless you've imported it. So let's go ahead and go right in and let's add a vehicle. So it's under Vehicles, Add New. Let's call this Sample Car 1. And you can select what car it is, what make, what model. Again, you can control these makes and models under types, makes, and models as well. So let's go ahead and do that, add in some text. And you can basically fill out as many options as you want or as few options as you want. And the fields will automatically show and hide as needed. So let's go ahead and let's just go ahead and leave that as is. Click Publish. And let's view this vehicle. And you can see our vehicle that has been added. So let's go over how to add a picture. So a picture is super easy. Just set yourself a featured image. Upload that image. And then once it's done, make sure to click Set Featured Image. And then this is the image that will display on this page as well as on your inventory page. And if you want to add a gallery, it's really easy. That's just under the Media tab, and you can just add a gallery. You can choose whatever images you would like. You can drag and drop to reorder them as needed. That's how you would get a gallery. So it's really easy to manage these vehicles and the inventory. Now, one cool thing you can do, as shown in the live preview, is you can pull vehicles onto any page. So let's go ahead and create a new page and call this Vehicles Page Example. And you'll click Backend Editor, and you'll click Add an Element. Also, this plus up here does the same thing, and look for Octane Vehicles, and you can choose two different layouts, your columns, which posts are pulled in, if there's pagination or not. You can play around with those options, but the cool thing is you can click Publish, and let's view this page, and you can see that the posts get pulled in. So that is how to easily pull posts onto any page. Another thing to go over is under Customize. You can edit all the vehicle options under Vehicles. For instance, if you want the layout instead of wide to be narrow, by default you can do that. For example, in 2 columns. Go ahead and play around with all these options in here, and you can really customize it a lot. The last thing to go over is, I'll actually cover it in a different video, but it's this request information, and I will show you how that is done in the next video.